Hi everyone, welcome to this new video lecture of AutoCAD. In this lecture, we will continue our discussion regarding the section of solid, the section by a plane perpendicular to vertical plane and parallel to horizontal plane. And here I have taken a question regarding the cone. A cone of base diameter given 50 mm, axis is given 60 mm, which is resting on the base on the HP. Okay, the cone is resting on the HP and it is cut by an auxiliary inclined plane inclined at 45 degree to the horizontal plane and passing through a point on the axis. So that should be passing through the axis, and it is also above of 20 mm from the base. So what we need to do, we have to draw the sectional top view and we need to draw the true shape of the section. So this is the question for us, and we need to identify these are the 2 points, sectional top view and true shape of the section. We know that very clearly. This is our vertical plane and this is our horizontal plane, and as per the question given, so the cone should be resting on the HP. Its base should be resting on the HP, means the base is nothing but a circle which is having the diameter of 50 mm, and the height of the cone is nothing but the axis is given 60 mm. It should be resting on the HP. So okay, resting on the HP in the sense the axis is perpendicular to vertical plane and its base is parallel to the horizontal plane. This is first step. Second step is what? Second step is an auxiliary inclined plane is cut the object with an inclination of 45 degree to the HP. First thing, and it should be crossing through the axis line. First thing. Second thing, that inclined plane need to be with a height of 20 mm above the base. So these are the conditions are there. So that need to be followed and we need to draw in the AutoCAD. So let's go for the AutoCAD here. I'll create the base for my diagram. So I'll go for MB setup, no metric again, scale factor 1, this is 420 and 297. And now I'll go for selection of this line. Select this line and just draw a reference line, and now we'll go for the circle. So I'll draw a circle of 25 mm radius and of diameter 50 mm is there. And the next thing is we need to draw a line from here to here. I'll just join it, and I'll select this line and I'll go for array command and select polar, select this point, divide it into 6 parts. Now I can change it to 12 parts by in the top changing the value here, and now exist. And after that I can select the line, just join from each of the point to the reference line. Okay, that is our normal procedure. Previous lectures also I have discussed regarding this, how to divide the circle and what to do the next to draw the front view. And from this center point we can draw a height of 60 mm is there, and from the height 60 we just can join to the both of the generators and the generators can be drawn. The next thing is we need to just connect all these lines, and from this point we can draw here, and similarly we can just draw from each of the point like this, and we can join to the apex point. Okay, yeah, this is all total. And now what we have completed, we have completed the front view and top view of the cone. The next thing is what we'll do, we'll just mark some text indications. We'll do it. So for that, what I'll do, I'll just type I'll just mark it A, B, C, D, E point, and F, G, and this is H, I, J, K, and this is L point. Similarly here in it to be mentioned A dash, and here I'll give the point of G dash, and here I'll mark it O dash point, center point I'll give it O here, over here, and this is B and L at same point, so I can mark it here B dash comma L dash. Similarly here I can mark it C dash comma second is K dash, and here it is E dash and I dash, E dash comma I dash, and here at this point F and H, so F dash comma H dash. Middle point, this axis line also you can mark it Okay, we'll give it d dash comma this is j dash. This is all about this, and reference line we can mark it xy. Yeah, this is all about the text dimension. If you want to mention immediately, just we can mark the dimension from this top point to the this 0.60 mm, and circle diameter also. If you want to mark diameter, you just can select this and we can keep it to outside. Otherwise, in that way also you can mark it. Radius also can be given, anything whatever you want you can give it. Okay, just keep it like this, radius 25, or diameter also. Diameter is given, we'll take diameter. Why to go for radius? So go for diameter and select this, just keep it like this, we'll keep it. Okay, now the next thing is we need to cut the object with an auxiliary plane. So I'll take auxiliary plane with a height of 20, then it should be bisect this, and this line, what I'll do, I'll just make a rotation with an angle, RO, enter, select the base point at which point we want to rotate, then 45 angle, so you can see. So now it is bisected with an angle of 45 degree. Okay, so okay, leave it. Okay, we can keep like this. Now what we'll do, we'll go for the line types, and here I'll load the line type. I'll select one, iso dash dot line, I'll okay it, and I'll select this one and I'll just change its types. I'll keep it like that, and I'll go for the change in color and its thickness also. So line weight setting, display line weight setting. Okay, now we can see this. The next thing is next target is for us. So what we'll do, what is the front view location visibility will be there. So will this is the two things, lines should be done. So this is the color and just change its thickness. So this is the front view object. Okay, now we'll go for the top view. So here we can see the bisection of this cone we have identified in this way. So how many points are there? That point need to be highlighted actually. We'll highlight that one. So by the meantime, what I'll do, I'll just draw some lines. I just draw some lines. Okay, and I'll keep it up to last. Okay, this is starting point, first point this one, if you see. Second one is this. So second one, what I'll do, I'll draw up to here. Okay, second. Third is in the center line itself, so I'll draw later. I'll tell you how to draw that one. Then this is fourth one, and again similarly fifth one, this, and final one. Just I can draw up to here. Check it once. Yeah, completed. Now everything I have drawn except the center line one. So what I'll do here, to draw the center point, because this is the point of axis line point what is crossing. So how to get this value, actually there is a method is there for that. By the meantime, I'll mention the points here actually, what the points are given. So we'll start. Okay, 1 dash and 11 dash. Okay, it is given in such a way, 1 dash, 11 dash, then this is 10 dash, and this is 3, 9. Okay, like that is given. So in that way also you can mark it. Okay, 1, 11, and this is, I hope, 2 and 10, and this is 3, 9. Okay, so in that way I'll mark it. So first we'll do the marking, otherwise go for text, single line text, and here it should be given actually. Yeah, somehow big size it came. Anyway, 1 dash, comma 11 dash. Actually this looks like a big size is there, so we'll keep it. What to do now? The next one is similarly 2 dash, and okay, one more point, I'll keep it like this, 10 dash, and that will be good. This is also, here also I'll keep 1, 3 dash here, and bottom below to that I'll keep it 9 dash, 1, 2, 3, and this is 4 point. So 4 dash, and this is 8 dash, 4, this is 5 dash, and here it will be 7 dash. Everything completed, and top one will be 6 dash. So all points are completed. So now a little bit clumsy is there. Anyhow, Now the next thing is what I told you, I need to draw the center point, center line here. So what I'll do, I select the line and I'll take a distance of this to the generators, from this point to the generators, and again this joining point I'll just draw a line vertically downward here and I'll connect this center point of this. Now what is the distance from here to here? Here to here, I'll just draw a circle, or I can take the distance, I can draw an arc here, any one of sort, we can go for it. Now this is the point I got here. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll just join, I'll first indicate all the points, then I'll join all these points. So I'll go for PO, enter, and give this point, again enter, give this point here. Okay, point is not highlightable, highlighting here, so I'll go for P type, enter, and select this point style. Okay, now see, it is visible. So now this is not required, we just can delete this. Okay, and similar, what are the other joining points are there, we need to highlight that one, all these things. So extra part we can trim it, go for these parts, this is required, and this is required here also. Yeah, these things, let's keep it. Now what are joining things are there? First point you can see 1 dash and 11 dash at this line. So what I'll do, I'll just draw a line here. I'll just draw this line, complete it. The next is joining point of this. Okay, so this need to be actually, we'll extend this, extend. Yeah, so this is the next one. So PO, enter, this is one, again enter, this is one. So now see how I'm doing this one. This is the first one, first point 1, or this is 1 dash point, 11 dash point. Okay, second one, second point is crossing this one, so second, that means 2 dash here, and 10 dash point is here. Okay, similarly third and fourth, third and ninth. So this is third 3 point, and this is 9 point. Similarly fourth and eighth, so this is 4th point, 8 point, and this is 5th point, 7 point, and this is finally 6 point. So all these points we need to mark the point actually, so that it will be identified for us easily, and we can do very fast this joinings. Control Z, PO, enter. We need to properly mark it actually. Yeah, again finally this one. So now this, all this joining, all these points what I have indicated here, that need to be joined together with the help of line fit, we can go for it. So I need to start from here actually. This is the first point, you can see, though I have not marked the point, but we need to observe this one. So starting here, go for this second, third, this is fourth, this is fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9th, and this is finally here close 10th. 11 is supposed to be, maybe some point we have missed, so it should be like that. Just enter it. Now what I'll do is I'll just select this one and select this R. I'll just highlight this, I'll just change its color and highlight this one. Now this is the top sectional viewpoint actually. Okay, and now we need to go for hatching. So I'll select the hatching part here and select the object and just keep it, what are the hatching we want to do for all this, just click it all these places. Okay, it is there. So these are the hatching part is there. Now this thing also we can highlight it. Okay, so this is the required part for us. You can see, select this one, and here also you can change its color and any thickness if you want to increase, you can increase there, I hope. Yeah, so now it will be highlighted. In this manner we can complete the sectional top view. This is only sectional top view, not the true section. Okay, true shape of that part. So this one I'll take it to other side. Now this portion we have completed, mostly front view, top view part we have completed. If you see, now see front view and top view part completed, and this is the sectional view part. And one more thing we need to highlight that also, this part also we need to highlight actually. So okay, so let me highlight this, select this, and select the line and select the part. Okay, so I have just highlighted all, but it should be highlighted from here to here. This part need not to highlight this because it is not coming under the sectional view part. Okay, so that can be we can just trim it, we can draw it again one more steps we need to draw. That means what I need to do, I can trim it here, again one more cycle I can draw. That's it. Okay, so next what we'll do, yeah, true shape we need to draw, correct? So what I'll do here, I'll just select this line and I'll go for offset, enter, and offset throw with a distance of, let's take a distance of suppose yeah, we'll take 60. Yeah, 60 will take it. 60, little bit more I hope. Okay. So why I have taken this, I have drawn this line actually. I need to show this object here. Okay, so for that what I'll do, let's take, this is the center line or axis line I have drawn, so I'll change its layer and dimension and color, let's keep it like this. Actually this is the you can say this AG line. Okay, this is the AG line, suppose it is. Okay, and let's give the text here 3 and 0. So this is you can say A1, let's keep it A1, and this is G1 point. This AG line what we got here, the same thing I drawn here. Okay, and this is our vertical trace V, and this is T. And now I need to draw here. So what I'll do, I'll just draw some vertical lines from each of the point. Which point? From this point. So now see, I just give some dimension of this regarding. I'll give a height of, how much I'll give? Let's take 80. Tab, go for the angle 135. Okay, it is going beyond that. So this one we can take little bit down, I hope. Okay, again enter. Yeah, just a little bit 10, we'll take it down. Okay, again this one we just can delete it, and this AG point we can drag it and we can keep it here, and this G point. Okay, now this also the distance what I have taken, I'll just keep it little bit down. Okay, so the same thing what I'll do, I'll just copy this one and I'll paste it all these points. First one, second point, third point, and fourth, this is fifth, and this one sixth. Okay, mostly we have completed. The next only few things are there. Next I have drawn this one, AG point. Why I have drawn? Because these are the distance I can easily identify here and I will put it there. So for that what I'll do, I'll select this circle, and from this point to this point I'll just measure, and again, so first line which one? This first point, this line. So I'll just shift this circle here and I'll keep it here. Then I got here 2 points. First point is this one, second point is this one. Completed. Just to repeat the same things for all this. This is the second line. Extend this point up to here. Again this, shift this center point to second one, and we'll get 2 more points here. One point is here, one point is here. Same things we just need to repeat. Second point completed. Now third one is the center one. Just check it a little bit down. Again shift this center point from here to third one. This 9 point you see. PO, enter, and just select this. Similarly select this circle, again come back to the next point, this one, and that is your fourth one. How much distance is there? Fourth point you see. Now again we just need to shift the point up to, we'll keep it here, fourth one. And what are the 2 points we are getting, that side and this side, that will just mark it by the point style. Again just shift this point to the fifth one. So fifth one is, you can see this one only. And now the dimension, how distance, how much is there. Now just fifth one, where is the fifth, this is the fifth line, you can see fifth line. Yeah, now we'll go for PO, enter. We need to do a little bit carefully so that mismatch should not be there. And final one, no need to go for the matching, directly we will get the point here. And finally we just need to join all these things again with the help of this draw tools. The spline fit is there, so go for the spline fit, join all these points. Okay, very carefully we'll join it, all these things. It will take some time to complete actually. This is part completed, and one more line I'll just draw from here to there. And finally I'll just select this, and I'll select this arc, and I'll go for change its color, and I'll change its thickness. Mostly I have done, I have completed everything. And finally we need to give the hatching again. Select all these hatchings. No, came out. Okay, so mostly we have completed. Now if you select this one, just change its angle. This angle, it is 0 degrees there, just change it to 45 degree. Okay, and also if you want, you can highlight that one also. So this is the true shape of that, so that also you can write here. So give some, this is the true shape. And other marking also we need to mark it actually, that is suppose 1 1 or 11, that point also we can highlight it. So by this method we can complete, let me show you properly. Yeah, I'll zoom it little bit, zoom. Yeah, so this is the final answer for this. So I hope you understood how to draw it. You can see these are markings, these are the numbers, we can mark it by yourselves. And the thing is here, whether you understood or not how to draw this true shape of the section and the sectional top view of this object for the section of solid. So I hope you understood how to draw it. If you are having any still doubt is there, any queries are there, you can give a comment on the comment box. Thank you all.